gang? Today we have a special treat today. Well, I guess it's more for me, but you guys will see all that later on. I am meeting up with John from Huesaflash Media. We're gonna do our yearly, I guess, video shoot of the Genesis, and probably get some cool photos out of it as well. We're gonna try to get some cool sunset shots at a new location I haven't been to yet, but I saw some pictures that he had taken with his Supra, and they look amazing. So I'm hoping the weather holds up, because it does look a little bit cloudy out there. I'm not too sure if the rain's going to come, but in the forecast it doesn't look like it will, so we might get lucky. But this girl needs a wash, so you might not be able to tell in the video here because it does still kind of look clean, but she still's got a layer of dust that we have to clean up a little bit there, get all ready for the video. And then of course this is the sky that I'm a little concerned about. It looks a bit cloudy, but I think at sunset, if some of these clouds disappear a bit, I think it'll look for really nice cotton candy skies. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for right now as well. So let's go get this car washed and go from there. I also have some exciting things about the Civic. I know I don't talk to you guys a bunch about it, just because this is mainly Genesis content that I have on here, honestly. But you do see the green Honda Civic EK hatch that I do have from time to time on here. There's some really cool stuff that also AlphaSpeed or AlphaX has put out for that car, and I'll share that with you in a little bit. But for now, let's get this car washed. The car is all cleaned up, ready to go. Thought I'd get a haircut while I was out as well too, just run some errands. But the nice thing is, coming back after getting my haircut, I noticed that the sun has come out. So I think that's the sign that tonight is gonna be a really beautiful video shoot. So I'm pretty pumped, and we will see you out there with John in a few. See ya. Hey, so as I mentioned, just a cut between the Civic footage and the photo shoot for tonight, because I mentioned I was going to mention a little bit of the Civic news as well. With this car, because I don't post a lot, I can always give you a mod list of kind of what I have so far, even though it's not a ton. But if you're interested, just drop a comment down below, and then I can go into that as well, or feature more content on the Civic as well. But one of the things I was doing is with this dash here, with this gauge cluster, I actually am replacing it with an S2000 AP1 cluster, just to give it a whole new look. I'll put like a picture kind of up above to kind of give you an idea of what I want it to look like. So I'm kind of taking care of that first. I already bought a harness for it. I got to get a K-tuned connector as well too, and then most of it's pretty much plug and play. I might have to make some adjustments or whatever, but I'll do an install video for that once I get the AP1 from the S2 or the AP1 S2000 cluster. Once I get that in my hands, or that dash, and then I'll do an install video, and we'll see how easy that is to put together. But the other thing, with this car, with the Civic, it does have a D16 Y7 engine. So of course that's like the 1.6 liter single overhead cam, no VTEC, low power, like low hundreds for horsepower. However, you can always do like, if I wanted to get VTEC, I would just get a Y8 head and go that route, and the VTEC solenoid. Probably have to get a new intake manifold, a new intake, a couple other things too. And then I believe to run it, I think you need to go OBD1 with the ECU. From the current OBD2 that is in this car right now. However, I was just browsing on AlphaX's website, or with AlphaSpeed, and I saw there was a lot of guys will do like a P28 chipped ECU, but I saw on their website, and for a really good price, they have a P28 plug and play unit from AlphaX. And as you know already, I'm running an AlphaX ECU in the Genesis, so I think is perfect. So I think what I'm gonna do, if I end up doing the whole VTEC thing, and get the Y8 head, and who knows, if I end up boosting this car in the future, I have full standalone plug and play compatibility with this car. And you can also get like a harness online for really cheap. If I do get it, I'll send you a link too. But a harness to swap from, or to go from OBD to OBD1, you can find them for like close to 20 bucks. And then that way you just clip it all together, put on the new AlphaX P28 ECU, and then yeah, just get to tuning right away. So I think it's actually going to be really easy. It's just acquiring all the parts I'm going to need for this. So I think that's the plan so far, is just get VTEC in this beast and see what we can make. Maybe we can get some baseline numbers on the current engine, and then we'll see what we do with the new upgrades and all that as well. So just to put that data out there as well. But it's exciting. So it's just a few more things to do with the Civic. I really enjoy driving it, even though it has, you know, probably about 350 horsepower less than the Genesis does, but it's really nimble. It's light. Yeah, it's really fun. I mean, it weighs like around 2,500 pounds, whereas the Genesis is closer to like 3,300 or so, 34. So yeah, it'll be lots of fun. But I thought I'd share that with you. I'll post like that P28 ECU for the Honda Civic. I'll put those details probably below in the description, and maybe a little picture above, so you can kind of see what it looks like. But that way, if you have a Honda Civic yourself, a hatch or like a EK, or not even an EK, but an EG or an EK that you want to like get this ECU for, yeah, all that information will be there for you as well. So you don't have to wait for me to do the build. So anyways, I will stop rambling like I am now, and we will see you shortly at the video location. Okay, let's see. Hey, what's up? Just got here with Johnny Boy at Huesaflash, so we're gonna make a video. He's getting some shots for me as well too. We're at our location. You can't see much in the background, and with the glare from the sun. My neighbor Dave is with me too. He's gonna be our driver for when we do the rollers and stuff too. So there's actually a lot of like good places around here. I think I'm probably gonna get rollers. I hear there's like a 3-lane highway up here, so we'll probably go up there. But other than that, should turn out pretty good. So see you in a bit. We're all finished up. It turned out really good. I think some of you guys are going to be excited because we got some two-step footage. I know some of you were asking about that before, so you might have to wait for the actual video to come out because that's where it is. It's not on my regular camera. But thanks to Dave for being the camera guy or the driver. And of course, thanks as well,
Yo.
John from Huesaflash. So looking forward to it, man.
Oh, sounds good, man. Thanks.
All right, yeah. See you later, buddy.
Later.
Even the drive home, it was such a vibe. I just had to get some footage just because the sunset was so perfect, and yeah, it was a good night overall. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to show you guys this video when Huesaflash releases it. Back home safe and sound. Yeah, everything turned out really good. Can't wait to show you guys. And if you notice, I got these curved brim hats that I was wearing, not just flat brims that I have all over the website, but I have this hat on the website, as well as these AlphaGen hoodies as well too. So if you're looking at copping one of those, they are on the website now. So feel free to head over to AlphaGenPerformance.com, grab one of those. But yeah, once again, can't wait till you see this next video once it gets released, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.